What are you doing today?
We are protesting
Protesting for what?
for to save our planet.
To save our planet. So what do you think, like our planet is in danger? Is it?
Yes.
How? When did you realize? When did you realize that our planet is in danger? So this pollution made you realize
Yes.
that our planet is in danger?
Yes.
So who inspired you to do this walk to protest against the climate change? Greta Thunberg? Where did you get to know about her?
From our teacher.
From your teacher. Okay. So who is Greta Thunberg?
He is a girl.
Yes. And what did she do?
She protested outside. She protested every Friday.
She protested
Every Friday.
every Friday. And you are doing it on Friday also?
Yes.
Very nice. So did you make these posters?
Yes.
They look really nice. So what do you know about Greta Thunberg? Do you want to say something? Yes. Ji, who wants to
She is our
speak?
inspirer.
Okay, she is your inspiration and Ji, you respect her?
She made us to reduce pollution. She made us to realize that the earth is in danger.
So what steps are you taking to protest against this climate change, to stop this change? You are not throwing garbage. And what else?
Not polluting the water
Not polluting the water. And how are you taking care of the water?
by saving the water.
You are saving the water. So you are consuming less water, right? So see, how can you save your environment?
We are planting trees.
You are planting trees. Good. You are planting trees at your school.
Yes.
Good. That's really a good effort. And what else?
We are practicing 3 hours. Reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Very nice. And how did you do that? And how did you do that? Reduce, reuse, and recycle.
By recycling the plastic.
Right, by recycling plastic. And I can see that poster behind you. I think that's also she used lids, right? Used bottle lids to make that poster. That's really good. Okay, good, bacha. That's really good effort. Keep it up.
Clean and green is our perfect dream.